In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to create a circular pattern in Fusion 360, which is one of the most fundamental and time-saving skills you can master when designing complex parts or repetitive mechanical components. Whether you are building a gear, a wheel, a flange, or even a decorative pattern, understanding how to replicate features accurately around a central point is essential for professional-grade 3D modeling. This process allows you to maintain full parametric control, meaning if you change your original design, all the repetitions in the pattern will update automatically. This saves an incredible amount of manual labor and ensures your sketches and bodies remain perfectly symmetrical. If this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating free content for the design community. All right, let's jump right into the software and get started. First, you need to have a base object ready to replicate. Once you have your design open, navigate your cursor up to the top toolbar on the Design tab. Go to the Create menu, scroll down until you find Pattern, and then select the Circular Pattern option from the Flyout menu. Once you click this, the Circular Pattern dialog box will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where we will define all the parameters for our duplication. The first thing you need to do is select the pattern type. This is a crucial step that many beginners overlook. In the drop-down menu within the dialog box, you can choose between bodies, features, faces, or components. For example, if you want to replicate a hole you just extruded, you should select Features. If you are repeating a separate solid object, select Bodies. Choosing the correct type ensures that Fusion 360 processes the geometry correctly and maintains the integrity of your timeline. Once you have set your pattern type, the next step is to select the object itself. Click on the actual geometry in your workspace, or select the specific operation from the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You should see it turn blue, indicating it is selected for the pattern. Now we need to tell Fusion 360 where the center of the rotation should be. In the dialog box, click on the Select button next to Axis. You have a few options here. You can choose a physical axis line, a circular edge of an existing part, or even a cylindrical face. Any of these will provide the software with a center point for the rotation. Once the axis is selected, you will see a preview of the pattern appear in your viewport. Now it is time to set the quantity. In the quantity field, enter the number of copies you need. This number includes the original object, so if you need 5 total items, type in 5. After that, we need to define the angle. For most standard designs, you will want a full distribution. In the distribution dropdown, ensure it is set to full, or manually enter 360 degrees into the angle field to distribute the pattern evenly around the entire circle. If you only need the pattern to cover a half circle, you could type 180 degrees instead. Take a moment to look at the ghosted preview in your workspace to ensure the spacing and orientation look correct. If everything looks good and the spacing is exactly what you envisioned for your project, go ahead and click OK. Fusion 360 will then calculate the geometry and place the pattern into your timeline as a single editable feature. This is great because if you ever need to change the number of spokes or holes later, you can simply right-click the pattern feature in the timeline and select Edit Feature. It's that simple to create complex, rotating geometry without having to draw every piece individually. This workflow is a cornerstone of efficient 3D modeling and will help you keep your projects organized and professional. If this video was useful for your engineering or design project, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more high-quality Fusion 360 tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.